We're back in Letchworth, revisiting the garden, just checking on the planting, replacing a couple of plants that didn't survive. You can see how everything's really grown out in the last about 4 months. We've got our Gaura wearing butterflies, looking pretty. Our Salvia are there in full bloom. Our geraniums are looking nice. We've got leucanthemum about to come up, and we've got Rebecca there. Look at the herbs. Look at this curry plant. They've gone absolutely crazy. And the fennel, these were like this high when I put them in. This mint is looking amazing. These are done really well, these planters. The sandstone patio is looking lovely, clean, really suits the garden now. Our little bit of cobbling and pavers always look nice. The rest of the planting has really started to fill out, take shape. Still more to do, but nice to see it's really coming on. The lawn feels like we're walking on a lush carpet. It's amazing. The prairie areas really started to come along. I'm expecting these grasses to get a lot higher. We've got our hydrangeas in bloom. The apple has an apple on it. In fact, I think it's got a couple of apples on it. And the cherry, there's one little cherry on it, which we're very proud of. So yeah, everything's really started to take shape. You'll be interested to see it next month when more of the flowers are out and really taking shape. This side's going really well. Once again, a repetition of some of the planting just helps the continuity through the gardens. There's certain things in the prairie which are in these side borders, which are in the cobbled borders. I'm really happy with how it's turned out. It's looking lovely. Client loves it. That's the main thing. So on to the next one. Thank you.